Hi, my name is Rojina Islam and I'm going to talk you through how we use Google Classroom within the Maths department. Now in the right hand corner you've got 9 small squares. If you click on this, it should take you, assuming that you're logged into your to Google Classroom. Here you should be able to access all your classes that are set up within the classroom. For the purpose of the video, I have created just a class just to show you how we use the features within our department. We use Stream to communicate any kind of information that we want our students to be aware of. For example, if we're setting homework for them, or we want to remind them of an end of unit test, we will use Stream to share this. So here I want my students to know that I've set work for them on, I've set homework for them on Maths Watch with a due date. I can post this. Once I post this, my students will get notified via an email sent to their Gmail account. Again, with this, I can schedule it. If I don't want to do it for now, I can schedule it for tomorrow or with a time and a date of when I want this to be posted. We also use classwork within the maths department. Within classwork is where we set all our work for our students. What I first do is create my topic of what for each unit I will put a topic header, just so that I can then put the work under each topic, so it's all organized. When you set your work on classwork, students are able to access it as and when they need it. And moving forward with blended learning is very beneficial because this work can be accessed by your students that are with you in the classroom as well as the students that are at home. If you go into create, you have assignment, quiz assignment, question, material. Depending on what you'd like to set for your students, you can choose any of those features. I tend to use a lot of I create a material only because when I upload my PowerPoints and given instructions, so if I want them to complete work somewhere else, for example, Maths Watch or Active Learn, I will put that information in there for them. On this feature material, I don't need my students to submit the work through Google Classroom, therefore I use material. Again, for the purpose of organizing it, because it's to do with the unit 1 number, I will put it under that topic. You can, of course, schedule it as well. So if you don't want to post it now, you can schedule it for a future date and time. If you choose to create an assignment, that you can, the students will be able to hand in the work through Google Classwork. Therefore, if you want them to do something on here, and then you want them to hand it back to you, then I would use the assignment feature. I just want you to see what one of my classrooms look like, so you can have a better idea of what I've just explained to you. So if you look at Stream, all my form of communication is on Stream. So homework being set, if I want them to do anything, it's all on Stream. If you go into my classroom, you can obviously, if I show you, all my work that we've done is all up here and uploaded here for my students. So this is one of my lessons we've done on factorising brackets. I've given them a page number of the book that we use. I've given them a PowerPoint to help them, and I've given them the instructions to log into the Active Learn to complete the work. I didn't need them to hand anything back to me, so I used material. I created a material rather than an assignment. So this is how we use Google Classroom within the maths department. Personally, I find this very effective as everything I am teaching is available online for my students, and should they need to revisit it, it's all there for them. And I also like how everything that we need to communicate with that class is in one place. If they want to correspond, if they want to ask you something, they can then just write their comments in that place and you can respond so everyone knows what's going on. Hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.